Hi kids, it's Miss Debbie at Fountaindale Library. How are you today? I'm here today to talk about dinosaurs. Who doesn't love dinosaurs, right? So I am going to I want to talk to you about books that we have in the library that you can learn how to draw dinosaurs. So if you come into the library, come and check those out. We have how to draw just about anything you'd want to think about drawing too. So don't just limit yourself to dinosaurs, but I wanted to show you those. And then also in the library, I'm going to have a little kit for you so that you can make a baby dinosaur that hatches. Okay? So if you don't get there in time to get a kit, all you have to do is make a dinosaur egg, 2 of them, cut them in half, and then maybe use the How to Draw a Dinosaur book to draw your little dinosaur. And then if you have a popsicle stick or a plastic fork or a knife, that would work for the stick part, okay? So, let's get started. Okay, kids, I put the camera down so that you can kind of see my hands and see exactly what I'm doing a little bit close up, okay? So what you're going to get in the kit is a solid egg and a cracked egg and 2 little dinosaurs and a craft stick. And then all you'll need is glue and a little bit of tape, okay? And if you don't have these things, then you can use something to make yourself draw an egg and cut it out, and then you can use our How to Draw books to draw the dinosaur, okay? So here we go. We're going to take our dinosaur first. You see we've got 2 different ones. One's got bumps on him, he's the back one, and one's got no bumps. So when you put them together, he's all one piece, and you have a different colored bump. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we're going to take a little glue and we're going to put that together like that, okay? Into there. Okay, and then you take your cracked egg and decorate it any way you want. I put dots and stripes and flowers and stuff, anything you want to do here, okay, to make it look cute. If you got gemstones or fun tape or whatever you want to do to be fun. I'm just going to do something real quick here, okay? I'm going to do some stripes. Whatever you want to do to make your egg be your egg, okay? So do that, and then we're going to put our little dinosaur in our solid egg, okay? And line him up so his tail is in there. He sits up a little bit, kind of like that, okay? And then we're going to take our cracked egg and we're going to line it up with the top. And I like to move my dinosaur so I can see his eye. See how that works like that? So slide him over a little bit so you can see his eye. And then all you need to do is put glue on these 2 little bumps down here, okay? Line it up again and tuck them in there. Make sure his tail stays in the egg, okay? And that's all you're going to glue him to is those 2 little spots because he's going to slide up and down, right? Okay. So then, next you're going to take your craft stick and you're going to line it up with the neck of the dinosaur, okay? So we're going to put a little glue on the dinosaur there. And we're going to put a little glue on the stick. And we're going to line it up like that. Press it down, okay? And then, just as a little extra security, take an itty bitty little piece of tape and just help that just secure it a little bit too, okay? It'll just keep the dinosaur from falling off the stick a little bit more. Okay, so now we got this and this, right? And we got it going up and down. So now, let me see here. I should have made sure my stick was a little bit straighter. There we go. Line your stick up good, okay? There we go. Now he looks a little straighter, doesn't he? Okay, so then you're going to take your bottom egg, and again, you're going to want them to slide in and out. So you only want to glue this side and this side down, okay? So I put a little glue over here, and I put a little glue over there, and put your egg on there, and secure it down like that on both sides. And again, if this pops up, just, you know, maybe put a little tape on that too to hold the edges down and stuff. And then when you get done, you have a hatching baby dinosaur. So there you have it, kids. There's your hatching baby dinosaur. I hope you had fun putting it together, and we'll see you next time at the library, okay? Bye-bye.